I'm ShantiOni, Ashanti, and we are going dancing. We got on our dancing shoes and we are catching a train. We are taking the train to go dancing. Okay, we have made it to our stop and we have to go up the escalator to go outside to the street. We are currently riding the escalator. We are currently riding the escalator. And in a lot of places, normally when you're riding the escalator, if you want to stand, you stand on the right side. And if you want to walk, you walk on the left side. It is very crowded today. There are a lot of people coming in and out of the train station. I think we have a problem. It is raining really badly. Oh boy. I had no idea that it was going to rain today. So we are waiting for the rain to pass. We are waiting for the rain to stop. Once the rain stops, we will continue to our salsa event. We're taking a pit stop at the vessel. I didn't know about the vessel until a few minutes ago.
I have to teach her.
He taught me what the vessel is. Remember, guys, I told you I'm new to New York, and so I'm discovering things every day. And we finally made it, guys. The rain stopped, and it's time to bailar. And now we have arrived at the salsa event. Many people come here to dance after work or on the weekends for free. This is called social dancing. Most people don't come with a partner, but instead they dance with many different people throughout the evening. When one song ends, they usually thank their partner and then find someone new to dance with. I enjoy salsa because it's a fun way to exercise, meet people, and learn about different cultures. Salsa has influences from Cuba, Puerto Rico, and other parts of Latin America. Oh, look, it's me. This is summertime in New York. The weather is warm and many people are outside. There are many salsa events happening every day in New York. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to have fun. Notice the people smiling, laughing, and having a great time. Dancing is fun. It turns out you don't have to go to Latin America to find salsa, because in New York, there are many people from all over Latin America living here. I hope you enjoyed coming with me today. Thank you for practicing English with me. See you later. Ciao!